How to unpin your conversation on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unpin a chat or conversation on your Signal application. Basically it's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone, click on it, and now like you see I have pinned it and I have this group. I already pinned this group. All I need to do to unpin is keep clicking on the screen, and like you see I have options. I choose the second option, which is unpin, and this is it. How you unpin a conversation. If you want to go back and pin this conversation, all you to do is follow the same step, which is clicking on the screen and click on pin, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.